Hello friends, welcome back for a new topic and new course for us, that is bridge course. Welcome back in JK's Mathematics. Friends, today we are discussing a new topic, that is bridge course of mathematics, day 9. Okay, let's start now. So in this bridge course, the syllabus of ninth is given for the revision, and that is the most important for the base of the 10th. For this, in this day 9, the topic is given, that is the surds, multiplication and division of the like surds. Okay friends, so for this, when we see the second chapter of the 9th standard, that is rational and irrational numbers, means that is real number. In this real numbers, we studied what are the like surds or similar surds. Okay, so in the multiplication of the surds, friends, when we see the example is given, that is simplify 4 into under root 12 into 2 root 3. Okay friends, so the coefficient means the rational number, that is 4 and 2, those are taken in the first bracket, that is 4 into 2, and the numbers under the radical sign, those are taken under the radicand. Okay, so 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, and 12 3 the 36. Friends, 4 to the 8 and 36, under root 36 means square root of 36 is 6. So what happens? 8 into 6, that is 48. So our answer is 48. Okay friends, now for the next, that is simplify 8 under root 35 divided by 4 under root 7. Okay, so 8 under root 35 divided by 4 under root 7, so 8 under root 35 upon 4 under root 7, 8 upon 4, that becomes 2. Okay, and under the radicand sign we take 35 divided by 7. So what happens? 7 5 is 35. So it becomes under root 5. It becomes under root 5. Our answer is 2 under root 5. Okay, this is the simplest form of the given expression. Okay, now the rationalization of surds. Surds means those are the irrational numbers. When we multiply a irrational number by the another irrational number, then their product is a rational number. Their product is a rational number. Then this process is known as the rationalization. ओके मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी एखादी जी काही सड म्हणजे करणी आहे तिला दुसऱ्या एखाद्या करणीने जर गुणलं तर त्यांचा गुणाकार जर परिमेय संख्या येत असेल तर त्या क्रियेला परिमेयीकरण मीन्स रॅशनलायझेशन असं संबोधलं जातं. दॅट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द रॅशनलायझेशन. And those terms which are multiplied each other are known as the rationalizing factor of each other. For example, when we multiply root 3 by root 3, then we multiply this root 3 by another root 3, then our answer is root 9, but the square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Hence what happens? When we multiply root 3 by root 3, then that root 3 get converted into 3. Hence we know, friends, 3 is a rational number. So here rationalization of 3 under root 3 takes place. Okay. So this total process is known as the rationalization. And then, friends, the most important thing, most important topic, that is the exercise. So how we solve it? For this, some examples are given. When we see this first example, that is, choose the correct option. First example, 3 root 6 into root 2 root 2. The options are 5 root 8, 6 root 8, 12 root 3 and 5 root 3. 4 options are there. So we solve this. 3 root 6 into 2 root 2. 3 and 2 are taken in first bracket and 6 and 2 are taken under the radicand sign. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So what happens? 6 into under root 12. But 12 is factorized as 4 into 3. So what happens? The square root of 4 is 2. 2 is taken outside the radicand sign. It becomes 6 into 2. 6 into 2 means 12 and remaining root 3. Hence our answer is 12 root 3 and that is the option C. 12 root 3. Okay, friends. Now come for the next same example. 6 under root 12 divided by 3 under root 6. We are going to select the proper option. 4 options are there. So actually we solve this. 6 under root 12 divided by 3 under root 6. 6 under root 12 divided under the denominator, that is 3 root 6. 6 upon 3 and under the radicand sign 12 upon 6. 6 upon 3, that is 2, and 12 upon 6, that is 6 to the 12. 2 under root 2, this is our answer. Hence the option A is our correct answer. Okay, friends. Now go to for the second exam question, that is simplify or solve the following. Simplify 4 under root 15 into 3 under root 3. Similarly, we take this 4 and this 3 in the same bracket. Under the radicand sign 15 into root 3. Root 15 into root 3. 4 3s are 12. Root 15 into root 3, that is root 45. But root 45, that 45 is factorized as 9 into 5. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 are taken outside the radicand sign and 5 are remains. 12 3s are 36 under root 5. This is our answer. That is 36 under root 5. This is the simplest form of this multiplication up to irrational numbers, that is 4 under root 15 into 3 under root 3. Okay. Now the next example, that is also simplify 8 root 28 divided by 2 under root 7. 2 under root 7. So 8 under root 28, 2 under root 7. 8 upon 2, that is 8 by 2, under the radicand sign, that is 28 upon 7. 8 upon 2, that is 2 4 the 8 and 7 4 the 28. Okay. So 4 as it is. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2 and 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay. Now the third example, that is simplify 5 root 5 plus root 2 into another bracket root 5 plus 3 root 2. Here friends, two brackets are given. So for solving these two, and there is multiplication between those brackets, we have to multiply by the first term to this bracket and again the second term to the same bracket. So root 5 into 5 root 5 plus 3 root 2, again this root 2 into root 5 plus 3 root 2. Root 5 into root 5, root 25. 5 into 3 root 2, 3 as it is, under root 5 into 2. Okay. Then root 2 into root 5, that is under root 2 into 5, plus 3 into root 2 into root 2, under root 2 root 2 into 2. So square root of 25 is 5. 3 into bracket 5 to the 10, 3 root 10. 5 to the 10, root 10, and 2 to the 4, 3 root 4. So friends, what happened? 5 as it is. This root 10 and root 10 are taken common. What one remains? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 and square root of 4 is 2. 3 into 2, that is 6. 5 plus 6, 3 plus 1, 4, root 10. 5 plus 6, 11, plus 4, root 10. This is our simplest form and answer of this question. Okay. Now friends, the last question, that is question number 4. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means here the denominator is root 11. We want to convert this root 11, which is irrational number, into rational number. Friends, in the rationalization we have studied that when a rational number root 11, irrational number, is multiplied by root 11, then it gets converted into rational number. So this is a fraction, that is 1 upon root 11. So we multiply the denominator and numerator of this fraction by the same number, and that is root 11. So 1 upon root 11 into root 11 upon root 11. 1 into root 11, that is root 11, divided by root 11 into root 11, under root 11 into 11, that is 121. But we know that the square root of 121 is 11. So it becomes root 11 upon 11. In this way, friends, what happened? The root 11, which was the denominator, which is irrational, get converted to the rational number. Hence, it is known as the rationalization of the denominator. Okay. Similarly, we see the next example for the rationalization of denominator. The example is given, that is 3 divided by 5 root 7. 3 upon 5 root 7. Here which is the irrational number? That is root 7. Root 7. Okay. So we multiply and divide by root 7 to the numerator and denominator of this fraction. So at the numerator 3 into root 7, it becomes 3 root 7, and at denominator 5 into root 7 into root 7, that is under root 7 into 7. But we know that 7 7 is 49 and square root of 49 is 7. So the denominator becomes 5 into 7. 5 into 7 means that is 35. Numerator is 3 root 7. Numerator is 3 root 7 and denominator becomes 35, where it is a irrational number. 5 root 7 is irrational number that get converted to 35 as a rational number. Hence this is the rationalization, rationalized denominator get rationalized here. Okay. So in this way our